When most Mediterranean diet guides tell you to eat more foods that provide omega-3 fatty acids, they're usually referring to the fatty fishes like salmon or mackerel, tuna, sea bass, even sardines. But what if you're allergic to fish, or you just don't like fish, or you choose to eat vegetarian, vegan, or plant-based? Well, there are many other sources of omega-3s that don't come from fish or even a supplement. Why do we need omega-3 fatty acids? Omega-3s are highly beneficial for cardiovascular health, which is your heart, your blood, and your blood vessels, your pulmonary system, which is your lungs, your airways, and also your blood vessels, your immune system, which is your lymphatic system, your spleen, your white blood cells and bone marrow, and your endocrine system, your pancreas, your thyroid, your adrenal glands, your pituitary glands, and your hormones. There are also mental health benefits. Omega-3s can be beneficial for brain development, brain function, and aging. If you're new to my channel, my name is Donna DeRosa, and I am the author of the Big Book of Mediterranean Diet Cooking and the Flexitarian Cookbook for Beginners. Let's go through some non-fishy sources of omega-3s. Seaweed and algae, such as nori, sea moss, spirulina, and chlorella. Nori is the type of seaweed that is used in sushi. Not all sushi rolls have fish in them. Sea moss is a type of algae that can be used to make a gel. I have another video where I use sea moss as a binder in cooking, and I will link that below. Spirulina and chlorella can usually be found in powder form. You can add them to smoothies or juices or even soups. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and watercress, and even broccoli. Now you know I'm always telling you to eat leafy greens every day. They have so many health benefits for you and they taste great. Walnuts. Eat a handful of walnuts or sprinkle them on a salad. You can make a walnut paste for pasta. You can follow my recipe for a pistachio cream sauce for pasta and substitute walnuts for a different flavor, and I will also link that down below. Add them to your cookie recipes or make banana bread with them. There are so many uses for walnuts. Kidney beans and navy beans. Eat them as a side dish or use them in soups. Make a burrito, blend them into a paste to use as a dip or as a variation on hummus. Flaxseed. You have to ground flaxseed into a powder. But then you can add it to smoothies, add it to your breakfast cereal, use it when baking. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are interesting to work with. If you soak them, they turn into a gel-like consistency that you can use as a thickener or even to make pudding. Add them to cereal, yogurt, smoothies, sprinkle them on a salad. Hemp seeds. You can sprinkle them on salads and breakfast cereals, use them in granola, smoothies, or even in pancake batter. Edamame, soybeans, and tofu. Edamame are immature soybeans that are usually served boiled or steamed. You see them in Japanese restaurants. They're so good. Soybeans can be blended to make an interesting version of hummus. You can eat them on salads, add them to stews. Tofu can be found in most supermarkets. It comes in a variety of textures and can be eaten raw or cooked. Use it in stir fries, coat it in sauces as a meat substitute. You can blend it into sauces as a thickener. You can blend silken tofu with a non-dairy milk of your choice to use as a substitute for heavy cream. Flaxseed oil, canola oil, and soybean oil. Now, flaxseed oil is not for cooking as it does not do well at high temperatures, but you can use it in salad dressings or add it to juices and smoothies. Canola oil can be used for cooking and also for salad dressings and in baking. It has a mild neutral flavor that makes it fairly versatile. Soybean oil can also be used in cooking. It can withstand higher temperatures. You can also use it in salad dressings or to make homemade mayo or aioli. Wheat germ. You can add it to cereals, muffins, cornbread, granola, pancakes, breads, and smoothies. As you can see, some of these foods can be eaten on their own or added to salads, granola, or blended into smoothies in order to get their omega-3 benefits. Of course, these foods have many other nutrients and benefits as well. A lot of them are high in protein and full of all kinds of vitamins and minerals. If you're looking for non-seafood ways to add omega-3 fatty acids to your diet, seek out some of the foods that I've listed. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.